are pleased to show you the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, leather seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.